Hi, and thanks for watching. So here I'm changing the motor or gearbox of a Barrington watch winder. Only tool required is a small crosshead screwdriver. So I've ordered the motor from Barrington's themselves. I wasn't sure which one I needed, hence the motor they've sent is here. You can find this motor on Amazon or eBay, so it's widely available. I just made a decision to go with them. So to take it apart, as you can see, you pull out the area where the watch is held, so that just pulls out, and there's a screw there which needs to be undone. On the back, you need to take the back cover off as well, so it's under these four felt covers. There's screws as well. Again, same crosshead screwdriver required. So I'm just going to peel those off and then move back to the front for taking that screw out. So the plate that's around it can come out, but you don't need to worry about that. When you pull the motor out the back, that will fall away. So I've got that screw out and just put it away safely in the watch holder. Flip it over, and there you can see the screws are now revealed behind that felt. So just going to unscrew all four of those, give it a very gentle tug to take the back cover off because it is connected to wires. So you've got two wires connected there. One is for the indicator light and one is for the motor. So pretty simple. And there's a socket marked MA1 which has the power for the motor, so that's a red and black wire. Just need to pull that out. Just hold on to the circuit board when you give it a tug to avoid damaging it. And there you go. This one's a lot of wire in there, not sure why, but so anyway, so unravel that. And then just being gentle with the rest of it, just to avoid putting out the light. And there's the MA1 you just saw there. So there's two screws on either side, so ignore the four screws in the square, it's just the two outer screws that you want to undo. Once you've taken those screws out, give that a little tug and the motor will come out. And I've just highlighted what the model is. So this is the one that came out, and the one that, so I just highlighted the model there. It's a QCL 500, but I think it'll be the same from wherever you get it. And this is a new one going in, so pretty much identical, although this did say 60 milliamp on the back rather than 50 as per the original. As I ordered this direct from Barrington, so assume they have sent me an upgraded motor. Then just screw that back in, make sure that's nice and tight, and there you've got the wire that needs to be plugged back into MA1. So there you go, that's in there. And before screwing it all together, I just gave it a quick test to make sure it's working, and you can see the pin inside, they're turning, rotating both ways, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and then this cover goes back in. And that little screw goes back in the middle there. Then over to the back, just tighten those four screws back in, and then the felt, just put it back on. It was reusable, so it seemed to go back on. Wouldn't make any difference if you cannot. And then pushing this back in, so you need to be quite forceful as you push it in. Give it a push. It snaps back in, so you just need to make sure you line it up with the holes at the back. And there you go, one working watch winder again. So far the new motor is much quieter than the previous one before it completely died. Thanks for watching. Hope this was useful.